Jim?
Yes.
About that.
Just for sitting down. So, here we are. I believe it's called the Breath of Life show. Can't do any filming in here, but we'll tell you about it after. It looks wild. We're just going to find our seats. There it is, E. Shall we go down and then around? Instead of making these people stand up? All right, we'll do that. There you go, man. Roll them up. Woohoo! And 11, 12. Okay. So like I said, guys, we can't film here, but it's gorgeous.
Beautiful.
We'll tell you all about it. Oh, by the way, how was dinner?
Amazing.
Great dinner.
Excellent Christmas dinner.
Everything was cooked perfectly.
Yes.
I didn't like everything, but that doesn't mean that it wasn't cooked right. It was just not to my liking, but it was still all really well done.
And they cater to people who have nut allergy, gluten-free, which I'm gluten-free, and also vegetarian people, which was amazing.
So we all ate too much.
Yes.
And now, we're about to watch a great show.
Woo-hoo!
I'll tell you about it later. Gotta say hello to the good-looking guy from the back. How you doing? Thank you. Wow, great show. Absolutely great show. Thank you very much. And is your camera recording? Always. Hey, hold on. Oh, hey, it's okay. Hey. Aloha. Aloha. She can do this all night. Thank you. I am so impressed. Thank you. Like you guys do, and I do. I've been doing television for 30 years, so. Oh, okay. When I say I'm impressed, it takes a lot to impress me. So good job. Thank you so much. Good job. A lot. Thank you.
Thank you guys. It was amazing.
Did you like that?
Yes, I did.
So what did you think of the show?
Oh, it was amazing. Amazing. It was worth every dime and nickel, as we say in Canada.
That was it. That's the Polynesian Cultural Center. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one. Where do you want to go now? I'm all good. Thank you very much. You're on camera too. That's fine. No, you